We've arrived at Hole in the Rock. We're gonna go climb it, right, Corey? We're not gonna complain.
Nope.
I've been complaining for years that I wanted to go hiking in Arizona, and I'm finally doing it. How's your key lime sparkling water?
Bomb.
I think the worst part about this experience is that my Fitbit is only going to count this as one flight of stairs. The Hole in the Rock. Photo?
Yeah.
Okay.
We should take a family one in here, Mom, Dad.
Yeah, definitely.
We gotta go to the edge.
Whoa.
You want to say something nice about LaCroix water and see if they send us a pack?
No.
This is super cool. I like it. Super easy hike too. Like, I don't even know if it can be considered a hike because it's mainly stairs, but still super cool. How'd you even get up there?
Climbed up the side of it.
He's got good sneakers on. How's he gonna get down without scraping his back?
He doesn't have the Skechers on.
We need like cleats.
What's that?
What? No. Wow.
Perfect landing.
That's nothing much.
Whoa. Was that you?
Kurt.
I thought it was a rock.
It's a snake. Wooden snake.
See, that wasn't so bad.
No, I knew it wasn't. I was just doing it with the anchor chain.